Good afternoon, tutor and classmates. This is Jason Mochano, a member of Group 24. I will tell you about the Facebook case that we read in the annex. Date 8 May 2021. Problem. The main problem that is evident is a lack of employee and leadership little respect for their employees. This problem is caused by abusive and inefficient managers, bad work environment, bad internal process. This is problem caused by this is problem generates disease effects. Employees quite little interest in pushing. I work under stress, little employee between colleagues. Fear of dismissal and employees feel that their work is not valued. If the Facebook company has problem with its staff due to the bad work environment that's been generation, or this is due to the lack of leaders or managers who are aware of the employers and making them feel that they are of importance to the company. Thank you.